Hello lovelies, you're welcome back again to Time with Josies. As you all know, I'm your girl Cynthia. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you're welcome. Please do hit on the subscribe button. I will really be grateful for that. Today we are making club sandwich. Yes, so without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Alright, these are the ingredients we need. We need sandwich bread, boiled egg, and you slice it like this. This is optional though. Cheese, okay. This one is easy to use. Tomatoes, mayonnaise, lettuce, smoked turkey, beef. You can use beef or chicken. I'm using the smoked turkey. Okay. Alright, this is just another way to cut the sandwich. Wow, this is so inviting. Do make this for breakfast for your kids, and I know they're going to love it. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like, share this video, drop your comment, and don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon so that you will be alert whenever I drop my video. Until we see again on our next video, stay safe. Bye.